Welcome back to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is addressing the landlord, Erica, and she has a lot to say in this. Um, Seeing that Erica had a life on her, and she went and saw it, and so she is, addressing her in terms of what happened on that life. Also, Marcia is saying that she left a lot of furniture and appliances, basically her fridge and different furniture pieces in her apartment. And she said that the landlord should go and get them, or she could ask one of her friends or one of her followers to go and pick up the items to her and send it to her, because that would have been looking wonderful in that place. So, guys, go check the video and see what Marcia has to say to the landlord, Erica. Remember to share, like, comment on the channel, and always subscribe and have yourself a wonderful morning.
Stomach. You don't want some of my sheet money right now. You don't want some of me have. Right now, me not even if they take furniture them out of the house. You don't want some of my blood clot 2.5 year furniture them. Then the furniture me left, me I tell us in a fear house that look like a blood clot palace, bitch. The furniture them me left. It take all 3-4 months to lift a piece of my furniture them. Me walk well left that. $2,000 fridge. $2,000 sitting on 3,000, almost 4,000 at a bedroom set. Don't even talk about my grey unit where we in a living room. That heavy something that left. My center table with the iron, how much money. Over 10,000 out of furniture left in that house. You could have get that pussy clot. Go call one of your bitch ass old motherfucker supporters them and make them ship that blood clot to your bitch, cause feel something them whole. And pussy never buy me that. Pussy never. Me never sell no pussy, forget that. You know what get me that? My business. My business. My sheets and my curtains. And my clothes and my everything when me sell. And that get me that. Me never have to sell no pussy if you get me no land and no house. And that you get me. So when you brag, we are no whore boy. As Jesus that said, woman, I will go and sin no more. You have 7 husbands. And the 7 you have. You fought down the whole of Portland and Montego Bay. And now you don't have nobody to run to. You have to run from Marcia cabin name. So what did your pussy get you? Eh? Your pussy only use and abuse you. Because if your pussy did get anything, you would not use Marcia name to make money. Your pussy never get nothing. Because a house don't mean nothing if you cannot maintain it. So your pussy should be able to maintain the house, and you do not have to come on social media and call Marcia name to get tens of thousands of followers by your page. And views and money. So your pussy not get nothing, you should have continue. If your pussy they good, you would have come on social media continue to use it, because a war will always be a war. A leopard not change his spot. So your pussy don't get nothing. It's not a foundation alone. You have to maintain the house. You ain't talking to no fool. So you can't come talk about where your pussy give and where your pussy not give. Because you can't live in a house without you have a fridge, a stove, and everything. No, so where your pussy give? And me, I maintain you. I'm your lifeline, motherfucker. I'm your lifeline. So when your supporters them over there are go on and a chat and a write up fuckery, tell those motherfucking bitch ass nigger girl. I jealous and jealous of me because I'm free and me can't do what I have to do. I'm in a trap, I'm in a bandage. And me don't have no blood clot shackle on my foot and my hand. I am free like a bird. And them can't live a life for me live. Because I'm gonna put myself in a situation where me can't get out of. Any situation I put myself in, me have a lean way out of it. You understand? Me have my lean way out of it. That's all. That's all it is. So anyway, how is everybody doing? How is everybody before we start back up again? How is everybody doing? Let me see if any rain start. Let me soon get dressed and go about my business. Bright. Then we are asking if you can go to Canada. Then we are asking if you can go to Canada. I could never me. Me I ask if me can go to Canada. You talking to me? Is that the intention of a joke? It must be a rash joke. If you not walk over, you can ask a good question. Nobody ask a question. Make sure to follow this page, people. Follow this page. I need 50 people. 50 more people to follow this page. I will go from there. 50 more people. 50 more people. Remember to join this page. The reality show of Marcia Life. If you want to follow Marcia and see what Marcia is saying and what Marcia is up to, and we shelter Marcia in her, and which government give me food stamp and all kind of something. Yes, una have to. Because Marcia is a big deal, boy. Without me shit them the name. So una have to follow the page. Because I am the #1 person out there put money in their pocket to make them get them bill pays a month time. It's so windy where? Where is it windy? Where is it windy? I don't think you wind no bother me, you know. As long as rain not fall. And as long as me strap on the piece of wig for me head. Laddie. As long as all me have to go do is to make sure say me put our hat for bed. Me make sure me get one hat and put for bed. For the wig no fly off. That's all. I don't give a shit about no wind. As me no see no rain out a door, me no see no tree a blow. As long as me strap on that piece of wig there. You know, so me figure a barber from the past 2 days now. I not reach a barber yet. Me want to go barber for me can go dye me here. Me no business with no breeze. Breeze could always fling a piece of wig. Me have my short hair. Me look nice. Anything me put on, me look nice. So as long as I have on one hat, I don't give a shit about no breeze. You understand? Me not see no breeze out the door. Out the door look fine to me. Me not have no problem with breeze. Yep, that is it. Live their life. You see, nowadays, people are very unhappy nowadays. And I realize, as I said before, people want to take out their unhappiness from people. Yes, me can do that, yes. But all the time, me take it off, because sometimes me I drive it in my way. Then wig, yeah. Sometimes you did I drive a wig, them so big and puffy. Me take off my wig and put it aside until me reach put on it. I do it even me I drive go New York City. And them start something in the wig. Because the wig, my wig need to roll back up. Because rain wet up here, then all of a sudden it swell up like a yeast. May I tell you? So I'm telling you. So me have to go look for the that's why I never put on the puffy one for me because rain wet up here and me have to go bring it back down. So I need whole heap of mousse and spray and something to bring it back down the way puffy. So when me in my vehicle is just like a puffy all the way out spread so it make you can't even see go properly in a windshield. If you see back at the way they are wig enough. So I definitely have to put on one different wig. Yeah, that's what it is. And I don't see nothing outside. Outside look peaceful. Outside look nice. Me know say cold. The digits them are going to be very cold this week. I'm gonna get ready because I'm going to the store. You know, I'm here spending my money. I mean, I get a benefit for my money. So I need to go to the store and see if I find one bathing suit. So I can go relax in a nice, warm swimming pool and exercise. I make that blood clot picture room and I go sit down in a piece of hole. In a piece of hole cemetery bathroom. You understand? Nobody no business with you. In a green giant house. Me see a piece of picture there where I'm spread. One piece of green sinting in spread up all over the place. You're not afraid green lizard coming there by you? Eh? What make you not you're not afraid green lizard coming there? Then I labor right. Then I make you spread too much green sinting. How you call little sinting them? When I'm spread over upon a chair. Eh? That chair they look like you have whole heap of roach and chink in there. That piece of set if you go to do a bun up. If you ever catch that ras piece of setty there, when I don't choose some person help on that ras, the way isn't they look like a green lizard. You raise green lizard. It look like you raise green lizard. You must agree on green lizard. Cause the way the ras sitting there spread out with all the green. You labor right. Oh, you labor right. Oh, you know some things that the ras man is a PMP. But the way she green out the place there, she raised green lizard. I think you grow some cotton lizard over there. I think some cotton lizard. I think your ass clot your landscape you. I think you raise some cotton lizard over there, some green cotton lizard. Because me no know make you put too much sinting. Then I way you cover up on the chair them so. Are the old sperm then we put panny, we have freak down the whole piece of old couch. You must see have all pass spot panny, you take a piece of freely sitting them up spread out all over the couch. Go take one steam and go steam up the ass couch. You will look different. And the damn piece of house make it look so ass ugly. And that you need to go do. Or get some vinegar and lime and put in our water and steam out the ass couch and take out the piece of old sperm then we have on the couch them. They are spread all kind of decoration panny. Look like any blood clot Shrek house. The green giant house. Look at them isn't there. Look at them fucking piece of old city we call antique. Then if you go in a garbage, carry them go up a Portland place, come make a mad ass man, madman and sit down on that pussy clot. Make your dirty blood clot supporters them who come over there call up my name, go buy you one good piece of couch. A new year now. You have a fucking piece of old city for a whoppy kill fill up. You're not tired for sit down for your memory. You're not tired for sit down for your old ass dirty sperm then where you get. That's why your damn mouth lean like a pussy. When pussy that surgery. And then you come up here about your chat about people. Then my business with you. Every day you come and repeat the same thing. Oh, workless this and workless. Workless my ass. Go look under your pussy and say how your pussy workless. Cause your pussy never finish your job. Your pussy left you halfway. So if me workless, your pussy workless. My pussy still going said way. You understand? So your workless pussy we have under your foot, cause it never finish up your life. Your pussy should have pay for your same way. Should have pass social media call my name to get money. So when you call me workless, go and take a mirror and look under your workless pussy. Cause me know say the way the amount of tongue and dick where you take your pussy tongue supposed to long and stretch out like a blood clot elastic band. So when you call pussy workless, call your pussy workless, cause your pussy never will finish your job. If me come do prostitution, my pussy supposed to finish me. Me supposed to live in a Beverly Hills. Me supposed to live in a Mandeville in a high house. You live in a one banana walk with zinc fence. You not even have a proper blood clot fence. And you make your pussy run out pan you. You fuck too much. And then you talk about pussy gear this and pussy never gear nothing. Where there is a pussy there? What the pussy doing for you? Marcia doing for you. Every day you stream my video. Then I who I do something for you. Then I who a blood clot feed you. Motherfucker? I who I feed you. Your pussy never finish your job. Your pussy never finish it. You should be working it same way. You look like a blood clot drag queen. And you come here talk. And you come here talking. Your pussy do nothing for you. Let your pussy go finish the job. That's what you do it. It's not finishing it. I am the one who is feeding you. You're retiring on me. You're too ungrateful, motherfucker. You're too ungrateful. That's what you is. You're fucking ungrateful. Very, very ungrateful. Use a blood clot crab in a barrel. Bite the blood clot hand where I feed you. Eh? Go look in yourself. Eh? I bite the hand where I feed you. How ungrateful it is. Are you calling you are the #1 crab in a blood clot barrel on Facebook, on YouTube? I bite the hand that feed you. And then you have the nerve to talk about pussy in your house and pussy you sit down on 2.5 acres of land. Your pussy can't, you're not even a good like a fence put up. You fucking piece of whole zinc and we are good on Gilbert blow off for how much years now you have. And you come attack. We are worried about me for? My sheet and my curtain give me this for me there. One blood clot piece of prestigious place, nice and comfortable. That's what my sheet and my curtain give me. My business, nice and comfortable. Very, very nice and comfortable. Well blood clot comfortable. Right now, me I look up in a mountain top. Me now look on a banana blood clot walk. Me I look up in a mountain top. Look there. Look there. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Me I look up in a mountain top. I where I look up in a. Where give you? My sheet and curtain give me this. When me have view beautiful things. Me not have view no blood clot gully and cockroaches and all zinc. Me I look for a nice place. That's what my money give me, you know. That is what my business give me, not my pussy. You and your pussy still, and your pussy now give you nothing, and me I give you something. This is what my pussy give me now. You have one bed in your room I sleep on, and me have 2 pussy clot bed I sleep on. 2 bed. My business. Your pussy now give you no housekeeper, now give you no food, now give you nothing. My money give me. So which one you rather to use? You rather to get a business and get it put? Are you ready for sell a pussy? One man can satisfy her.